the butterfly.
Don't remember.
So that's going to be open space. So that's going to be the lateral ventricles. And the two lateral ventricles are separated by this membrane, which you can see really well. Remember what that's called?
The septum?
Septum pellucidum.
Pellucidum.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you can also see this other open space below the two lateral ventricles. This would be
Is that the third ventricle?
That is the third ventricle. Something else you can see really well, you can see this part of the cortex right here.
Mm-hmm.
You remember what that part is called?
No.
So it's the part that you can't see on the outside. That's the fifth lobe. So that's the insula.
Insula. Okay.
You can see the dura mater here, that white line. And then the falx cerebri, the one that comes between the longitudinal fissure.
Right. And what is this thing?
It's just part of the dura mater.
Okay, I thought there was a name for it that we had to know.
What else can we see on this one? This one's not that good. This structure right here.
Corpus callosum.
Mm-hmm. So then this would be?
The thalamus. Or the, well, that's a ventricle.
Right. Lateral ventricle.
Lateral ventricle.
This structure right here.
Fornix.
The fornix. You can see this really well. Diamond shape right in front of the cerebellum.
That's the fourth ventricle.
That's the fourth ventricle. Over here you can see these two little bumps on the back of the midbrain.
Mm-hmm.
You know what those are?
I don't remember, but I know that.
So we've got a total of 4 of them together, the corpora quadrigemina.
Right.
The
Oh, the
top
superior and inferior, like, whatever.
Colliculus.
Colliculus.
So the top 2 superior colliculus, the bottom 2 inferior colliculus.
Right.
So what would this structure be then?
That's the thalamus.
That's the thalamus. It's not totally clearly defined.
I was going to say, I wouldn't.
You can see that. Then this would
That's
be
the pons.
That right there is the
Medulla.
medulla. Right here you can see what?
Is that the transverse?
This is the lateral. That's the lateral
Lateral sulcus.
This right here would be the transverse.
Oh, okay.
Not much on this one you can really see other than the ventricles. And of course that guy, which would be
Longitudinal.
longitudinal.